客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. This is 罗思荣与顾毛头 with a song called Dream of Youth, or in Hakka, 长春给梦. Now, 罗思荣 metaphorically describes youth as a butterfly, with herself as that butterfly fluttering among the flowers. And then she portrays love as a flute, and she sees herself as the flutist, playing in hopes of awakening delightful dreams. 罗思荣 uses sort of a swing and gypsy jazz vibe, so let's take a listen to it. 长春给梦。
希望长夜杂调，骑在树当，爱吹给杂调，为了梦唱出来，长长夜杂呀，越发冲突，爱吹给杂呀，为了梦跳舞，哒啦哒哒，哒啦哒哒，哒啦哒哒啦哒哒。哒哒啦哒，爱情像一滩悠悠猜不透，爱情像一滩悠。爱吹给吉他，爱老梦猜想。
这首歌呢，以手风琴为开头，然后吉他还有大提琴的加入，创造出一种摇摆还有吉普赛爵士风格的歌，是由罗思荣与顾毛头所带来的《青春的梦》长春给梦。而青春是什么呢？罗思荣呢就将青春比喻为蝴蝶，自己正是那只蝴蝶飞舞在花丛间，他又把爱情化为笛子，而自己就是那只不断吹奏想把好梦吹醒的笛子。我们继续收听 1, 2, 3, 4。That's Dream of Youth, or in Hakka, 长春给梦. Hope you enjoyed it by 罗思荣. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.